Hello and welcome back to another Untitled video. Today we are talking about Winter Storm Silas, which is a late season blizzard moving across the northern plains, potentially dropping feet of snow in North Dakota. So, starting off here with the Weather Channel page, at a glance, a winter storm will spread from the west to the northern plains in the first half of the week. The heaviest snow is expected from the Oregon Cascades and Sierra Nevadas to North Dakota. Blizzard conditions are expected in the northern plains, and the system has been named Winter Storm Silas by the Weather Channel. It is the same system that will be producing severe weather and a potential tornado threat in the south, and I will be posting another video on that severe threat later. So, current radar, we have heavy snow in parts of Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Utah, Nevada, and California. Monday night's forecast shows snowfall from the Cascades up through North Dakota, with the heaviest being in parts of Montana, Wyoming, Utah, and parts of Idaho as well. Tuesday, we start to see the blizzard conditions ramp up in eastern Montana, northeast Wyoming, and the Dakotas, mostly North Dakota, with potential blizzard conditions right in here. Then Wednesday, we start to see the storm start to move into Canada, and when all is said and done, we have heavy snow in parts of the Cascades, but mostly in parts of Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, and North Dakota. So, here is the current watches, warnings, and advisories. Let's go through them all together. So, starting off with our winter storm watches, which are currently in place in parts of Minnesota, North Dakota, and South Dakota. We have winter weather advisories across parts of Washington, Oregon, California, Idaho, Nevada, Utah, Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, and I think that's part of South Dakota there as well. We have winter storm warnings across Washington, Oregon, California, Utah, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, South Dakota, and not North Dakota. We have blizzard warnings in North Dakota, South Dakota, Montana. So, moving on here to the NAM 12-kilometer model, we can see here our current low-pressure system dropping plenty of snow in parts of the northern Sierra Nevadas, as well as the Cascades, moving into the northern part of the Rockies. We already have a 986 millibar low pressure throughout the day on Monday, and this system is going to be, this is the main reason why this system is going to be so strong, is it came onto the coast strong, it's already strengthening, so by the time it gets out into the northern plains, it already has that energy to start intensifying again. So we can see here, this is right around 3 a.m. Mountain Time. You can see that most of Montana is experiencing moderate to heavy snowfall and potential for blizzard conditions in eastern parts of Montana. As we move into the early morning hours of Tuesday here, this is right around, let's call that 10 a.m. Central Time. We can see here heavy snow and blizzard conditions possible in parts of North Dakota. And that continues. This storm lingers around in North Dakota for a very long time. You can see that the snow starts here. This is right around 1 a.m. Tuesday. The snow continues through, pulls out right over here. So that is 7 p.m. on Thursday. Now, the worst of the storm will be in parts of North Dakota and even into parts of Canada between, this is, let's call that 4 a.m. Tuesday morning Central Time through right here, which is 4 a.m. Central Time Wednesday. So 24 hours potentially of blizzard conditions in the northern plains as this low pressure system continues to move through. So here is the total forecasted snowfall. You can see here across the Sierra Nevadas and the Cascades. Let's go through each state and give the highest possible amount. So potentially close to 3 feet of snow in parts of Washington, 34 inches there. In parts of Oregon, I just saw 39 inches possible in parts of the Cascades. In California, we have the potential for 32 inches of snowfall. Across Idaho, we have the potential for 21 inches of snowfall. In Nevada, we have the potential for 17 inches of snowfall. In Montana, especially in eastern Montana, the potential for 41 inches of snowfall. In Wyoming, we have the potential for 20 inches of snowfall. In Colorado, some areas could see 26 inches of snowfall. In North Dakota, we could see up to 47 inches of snowfall. And in South Dakota, we have the potential for 8 inches of snowfall. In Minnesota, we have the potential for 11 inches of snowfall. So, really, the target area here, you can see it very clearly, is right in here, where those blizzard conditions could be sustained over long periods of time, especially in parts of North Dakota, where we could be seeing up to 4 feet of snow. Again, we're not going to be measuring the snow in inches with this storm. We're going to be measuring it in feet, which is crazy to think. It is April 11th, and this will be going through April 15th, up to 4 feet of snow. This is unseasonable. Now, we're also going to be seeing strong winds that accompany this system. So typically, we are looking for these dark purples for blizzard conditions, and we definitely can see that in parts of North Dakota. And 30 miles an hour is right around 25 knots. So as this system is breaking out into the northern plains, we have those areas that will be seeing 25 knot winds. And these are sustained winds. And as this low pressure shifts back west, we could see it intensify again in areas such as South Dakota, let's call that southeast Montana. Could be seeing another round of intense winds, 31 knots sustained. That's right around 35 to 40 miles an hour. And eventually this storm will start to move out, but still bringing in some wind even into the Twin Cities, maybe 20 to 25 miles per hour as this system moves out. So that is all the information that I have for Winter Storm Silas. Really a complex system, as I've broken this up into 2 parts. This is the wintry side of the storm, and in a little bit I will be posting another video on the severe side of Winter Storm Silas. So that is all the information that I have for today. Stay tuned here for any updates by subscribing and clicking the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.